join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
5 little speckled frogs sitting on a log, eating tasty bugs and learning colors in the fog. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple too, learning all the colors as they hop into view. 5 little speckled frogs hop, hop, learning all the colors, never wanting to stop. One jumps into the pond, splash goes the sound. 4 little speckled frogs still learning all around. The first little frog sees a red bug near. Red is bright, he croaks, I want to cheer. The second little frog spots a blue leaf in the sun. Blue is cool, he croaks. Learning colors is fun. 5 little speckled frogs hop, hop, learning all the colors, never wanting to stop. One jumps into the pond, splash goes the sound. 4 little speckled frogs still learning all around. The third little frog finds yellow flowers in bloom. Yellow is so happy, he croaks with room to zoom. The fourth little frog spies green lily pads nearby. Green is lovely, he croaks, pointing to the sky. 5 little speckled frogs hop, hop, learning all the colors, never wanting to stop. One jumps into the pond, splash goes the sound. 3 little speckled frogs still learning all around. The fifth little frog spots purple grapes on the vine. Purple is so pretty, he croaks, I think it's fine. Every frog together now, learning colors bright, counting, hopping, croaking, having so much delight. 5 little speckled frogs hop, hop, learning all the colors, never wanting to stop. One by one they jump, splash goes the sound. All 5 little speckled frogs now know colors all around. Evening falls and frogs rest by the pond so still, dreaming of the colors they learned on the hill. Tomorrow brings more hopping, learning and fun. 5 little speckled frogs and colors.